Vittles right now, and I'm gonna probably taste a really cool burger. My friend here just invited me over.
Hi, we got fresh burgers on the grill there.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you in a while, and yeah, I'm fucking excited for it right now. So we're at La Feria right now, and till the time it gets done, you want to tell me something about Vittles?
Yeah, it's very much inspired by international cuisine such as poutine from Canada and of course American burgers, but freshly grilled, and we make the patties by ourselves. We don't use frozen patties at all.
Finally, actual real burgers in Chandigarh, man. So, hi, I'm in La Feria. This is just last moment. This is probably not gonna go on YouTube, but oh fuck. But I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what's happening here. I am currently with the brand I'm working for. Adar, here. Oh, my burger came. Yo, bro. Oh shit. Shit, she looks hot. Wait, the drink is where?
That's coffee roast.
Oh, okay. Thank you, man. Let me just dig in. Yeah. I wanted to keep a better background, but the place seems to be a little crowded, and it's just weird. So let me just try and see how this goes. Okay. Can't wait. Okay, first bite. It's so fucking soft. You can actually just chew right through the bread and the egg and the patty and the bread again. The lettuce is actually so cool. Jitna I can see from here, a mutton patty, an egg, what do you call it? Egg jalapenos, mushrooms, really cool sauce. My hands are dirty right now, my mouth is dirty. Fuck, it's so cruel. I'm loving this. I actually just switch off the camera and just enjoy my meal, but let me just get back to you when I'm done, okay? Bye-bye. Okay, now for the comprehensive review of the burger plus Vittles. Guys, fuck. Do you wanna come and say hi to my vlog? Yeah, okay. Hi! That's just my friend, जिसका मुझे नाम नहीं पता और उसको भी मेरा नाम नहीं पता, but we've been just saying hi. Just tell me your name and the people as well.
I'm Sukamrit.
That's such a cool name. Why do my name is like Vishnu? Such a.
Oh, that's a cool name.
That's not a cool name. Come
like
on,
that.
just don't.
I like Vishnu.
Yeah.
Bye, Vishnu.
Bye bye.
You know my name, I know yours.
Sukamrit.
Yes, Vishnu.
Bye bye, Sukamrit. Bye bye. Okay, now for the review of the burger. Okay, the burger was heavy. I mean, if you're looking for a snack, do not eat this burger. This is a proper meal burger, and I actually good drink. Now, the burger was nice, big fat burger, big fat patty, and it was really soft. It was kind of not that spicy because I eat a lot of spices. I'm sure if you're an Indian, you eat a lot of spices as well. But I'm sure they have a spicier version of it. So yeah, that's something to be noted. And I'm going to try a couple of. Vittles there. they're going to be opening in, I don't know, by November or something. But yeah, good burger. भैया हाय बोलनी है? Yeah, good burger. I see.
Say, oh my, feels just like I don't try.